Okay, so how can I prevent this problem in the future? Well, by keeping an eye on the slide out, always scrape off any putty that you see that's bled out. Once the putty's been removed, make sure that all the screws are tightened and sealed. Then you can go back along the edge and silicone the side edges. You can silicone these side edges. This insert molding shrinks up and also becomes hard and cracks. This stuff needs to get replaced at least every 3 to 5 years. You know, you want to periodically come underneath the slide out, make sure that you don't have any screws that are rusted, that are backing out like they are here. Again, trimming off the putty tape that's bled out. It's going to cause it to get on the wiper seals and cause damage and cause scraping and scratching on the floor. It's also going to cause it to get bled out on the wiper seals, and which again will cause scratching to the siding of the coach. You want to make sure when you're underneath here that you're cleaning and lubricating the wiper seals, that you're checking for any hardware that may be damaged or pulling through the floor. As you can see, all the screws that are coming loose and where it's damaged the floor, putty that's bled out, you know, that putty's bled out at least 3/4 of an inch, if not more, and as well as you can see the gaps in it, where it's rusted all the screws, dry rotted the floor. So just simple silicone and insert moldings and cleaning, and then treating the bulb seals, making sure that they're soft and protected from the sun and water, will prevent them from tearing and drying out, and would also, it decreases the stress by the rims running in and out. It doesn't make it to where it's struggling, causing it like a dry wiper blade that's slowing down